In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ShowMotion tool in Inventor Fusion. We activate ShowMotion from the navigation toolbar. If you don't see it, you can expand the menu flyout and select it. Another way to open up the ShowMotion tool is to go to the View tab, Controls panel, User Interface, and check it from this list. Let's close the browser and let's collapse the ribbon as well. To start a motion sequence, click on this plus sign down here. Here's the ShowMotion Shot Properties dialog window. First thing to do is name the shot and the sequence. We can choose a transition type. For this first example, I'll use fade from black into shot. But for now, I'll just leave the time value at 0. If no duration is specified, Inventor Fusion will ignore the transition type. Under Camera Motion, our motion type is Cinematic. Then we choose a sub-option. I'll use Zoom In. Now specify a duration, let's say 2 seconds. And then we'll set a distance, let's say 10. Here's the position drop-down menu. Let's select End here. Now let's click Preview. Here's our zoom motion. Let's change the time duration to 1 second to see how the Fade into Shot option works. Let's click Preview. Here's the fade. Let's switch the transition, cut to shot, close, and we'll add a second shot here. Shot 2 for sequence 1 will be zoom out. Let's specify the duration, 2 seconds. Distance will be 10. Under position, let's choose Start here. And let's check the preview. Let's close. Let's check our motion now. Play. There's the zoom in. There's the zoom out. Let's add a second sequence now. Press the plus sign. Under Camera Motion, select Track Left. The distance will make 20. The duration will be 2 seconds. And this will be the start point. Let's preview. And here's our motion. Let's increase the distance a bit, let's say to 30, and preview. Okay. Let's close. We'll create one more shot. This time it'll track right. For duration 2 seconds, and distance 30. And let's end here. Let's close and play our sequence. Zooms in, now it zooms out, tracks right, and now it tracks left. And there's our endpoint. To edit the shot or to delete it, just right-click, select Properties, or you can select Delete. To play the sequence or shot, just press the play button. And to play the entire sequence, press play here. This second button lets you go to the location. This concludes our tutorial about the ShowMotion tool in Inventor Fusion.